In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to change settings for sound, previews, and more to make your messaging experience truly yours. Let's get started. Step 1. Access message notification setting. First, let's navigate to the message notification setting. Here's how. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Then you can scroll down and tap on notification. After you tap on notification, you can scroll down and tap on messages. Now that we are in the right place, let's try to explore the different settings you can customize. Step 2. Customize message notification setting. Here are the key settings you can adjust for your message notification. You can allow notification by toggle the switch on or off to enable or disable message notification entirely. Alert. You can choose the type of alert you prefer, like no one, banners, or lock screen or notification center. Banner appear at the top of the screen and disappear automatically, while alert require manual dismissal. You can tap on sound to select a custom sound for incoming messages. You can also adjust the vibration pattern or disable it. We move to badge app icon here. You can toggle the badge app icon switch on or off to show or hide the red badge with the number of unread messages on the message app icon. You can also show preview. Choose it when message preview should be displayed, like always, when unlocked, or never. This affects how much of the message content is visible in notification. You can also repeat alert by tap on Customize Notification. Choose how often you want to be reminded of unread messages, like never, once, twice, 3 times, and so on. Once you already made your desired change, your message notification will be customized to your preferences. Remember to turn off the mute button so that the notification sound works properly. The button is on the left side of your device, right above the volume button here. Congratulations! You successfully customized your iPhone message notification setting. You can enjoy a more personalized messaging experience tailored to your need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video will helpful for you, and see you again on the next video. Bye!